Epuwe kaunti ya Kisii Doris watoto iboigo onyara kwa kwenekeria umurai ibwense Dr. William Ruto buna serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii anene korwa abisi ya omo women rep nichikoba kwenekia buna negendrete ko bagikorwania esegi yo gusarwa anene ko mwana munyaruka ime kaunti ya Kisii.
Supporting the fight of teen pregnancy, FGM, wale watoto wetu wa Nduru tafadhali, in 1 minute where you come, please come. Hii ni kazi yangu ya mama. I have these girls I'm training. I pick girls all over the county, the 9 sub-counties. Inawafunza on FGM, teen pregnancy. Your Excellency, I'm doing what you told us to do. I don't want to have much. They can just say one word. My daughters, please, come very fast. Please, please, I'm sorry, I didn't have this in plan, but I want to show other leaders that we are not supporting FGM, we are not supporting teen pregnancy, we want to fight this vice. And I want to thank your PS, Honorable Harry Kimtai. When I told him about my programs, he's in support. Watoto wangu, ongea na rais, please, very fast.
Nani ataongea?
Angruma posimba